Hello, my name is Amaryllis. Today I will show you 12 ways to create Christmas ornament just using paper. As you can see, you can create a lot of ornaments with paper. I made a star, heart, flower. I have also made some ornaments inspired by vintage ornaments. And you have the classic one, Christmas tree, an angel, regular Christmas ornament and mistletoe. To do all this ornament, it's very simple. You only need a few supplies. Scissors, glue. If you don't have a glue gun, you can have regular silicone glue. You may also have a few beads to decorate your ornaments, and a few tassels are nice also. Of course, you will need a ruler, and let's not forget paper, and you will use cardstock paper to make these ornaments. Let's start crafting. I chose a gold paper. You can use any cardstock paper, and you have to cut it in strips of around a half inch width, 1.5 centimeter width. To make the first ornament, you will need one strip of 4 inches and 4 strips of 5 inches. Take the small strip, add some glue on one edge and glue a second strip on it. Turn the strips and glue another one with the 2 first strips. Hold the end with a paper clip. Bend the long strips and glue all ends together. Add a dot of glue on each side of the centerpiece and glue the middle of the side strips with it. Add some glue on one edge and glue the 2 remaining strips with it. Hold with a paper clip if needed. Again, bend the 2 strips and glue it with the end of the ornament. Cut a piece of rope, bend it and add some glue in the center of a bead. Pass the 2 ends of the rope into the bead and glue the beads with the rope on top of your ornament. To finish nicely your ornament, you can glue a tassel at the bottom of it. And your first ornament with a vintage style is finished. Let's make a second ornament. A small strip, add glue on the edge and glue the medium strip on each side. Hold with the paper clip, add glue on the small strip edge and bend the medium size strip to glue all edges together. Add glue on the edge, take the long strips and glue them with the edge, one on each side. And again, add glue on the bottom, bend the strips and glue all edges together. Add glue on the top of your ornament and glue the rope on each side. Pass a bead through the rope to have a nice finish, and you can also glue a tassel at the bottom of your ornament. This is the second ornament idea. Let's keep crafting more. Take the small strip, bend it and glue both ends together. Take the medium strip, the one who is 15 centimeter, 6 inches length, and glue both ends together. Glue the small circle inside of the large one. Take the long strips, glue both ends together to make a drop shape. Do the same for the last strip you have. Glue the small drop inside of the large drop. And finally glue both pieces together to make your ornament shape. Add a tassel at the bottom of your ornament for a nice finish. Cut a piece of rope. Glue a bead on top of your ornament, add some glue inside of the bead and slide the end of the rope inside of the bead. What do you think of this nice ornament idea? To To make ornament number 4, you will need 6 strips of 8 inches and you will glue them forming cross shapes. When you have the 3 cross shapes, glue them on top of each other, form kind of a star shape. Take 2 opposite strips, bend them and glue both ends together. Take the next opposite strips and glue both ends together. Keep gluing all the strips to create a nice Christmas ball. You can glue a tassel at the bottom of your ornament. To hang your ornament, cut a piece of rope. Take a bead, add some glue inside the bead, slide the end of the rope into the bead and glue the bead with the rope on top of your ornament. This one is super easy. You will need 4 strips of 8 inches, 21 centimeters. Take each strip, bend it and glue the ends together. What you will have to do now is slide the rings into each other. Add a dot of glue inside the first ring and glue the second one to form a cross shape and keep gluing the other 2 rings inside of the first ones. You must end up with this kind of star shape. And again, take a bead, cut a piece of rope, glue the bead on top of your ornament and slide the 2 ends of the rope inside the beads to hang the ornament on the tree. And you can finish adding a decorative beads on the ornament. To make this ornament, you will need 6 strips of different size. Grab the small strip, roll it on itself and glue the ends together to make a small ring. Take the second smaller strip and wrap it around the first one, gluing the ends together again. And you keep adding more strips to your ornaments. Glue the strips from smaller to longer. When you are done gluing the strip, cut a piece of rope and take a bead and glue it on top of your ornament. Add some glue inside of the bead and slide both ends of the rope inside the bead. Next ornament, I will show you how to make a Christmas tree. Take the strips of 15 inches, 40 centimeters and fold it in half. Take a second fold at 4 inches from the edges. You have now a triangular shape. Glue both bottom edges together. The bottom of the Christmas tree is about 4 inches length, it's 10 centimeters. Take the other strips and fold it in zigzag to fit inside the Christmas tree. Add dot of glue here and there to fix the zigzag inside of your tree. Take some small beads and glue them inside of the tree as little ornaments. Cut a piece of rope and glue it on top of your Christmas tree. Slide a bead through the rope to finish nicely your Christmas ornament. Take the long piece, fold it in the middle, then fold the edges to create a little base and glue both ends of the base together to have a triangle shape. Take the medium sized strip, fold it in the middle, again fold the edges. Glue this second shape on the tip of the first triangle. This is the body of your angel and glue, I don't know if it's the arms of the wings as you want, glue them on the first triangle. Take the small ring, take the small strips and glue both ends together to create a small ring. This is the head of your angel. Glue it on the body. Get a piece of rope. Take a bead, glue it on top of the angel head, add some glue inside of the bead and slide both ends of the rope inside the bead. To make the mistletoe ornament, you will need 5 strips of 5 inches and 4 strips of 6 inches. Take each strip, bend it and glue both ends together. When you have all your drop shapes made, you have to attach them adding glue to the end, and you have to alternate a large drop shape and small drop shape. You can help yourself with a paper clip while the glue dries. To hang your ornament, cut a piece of rope. Take a bead and glue it on the top of your ornament. Add some glue inside the bead and slide the rope end into the bead. Glue some extra beads on the side and done. Let's make a heart ornament. Take the long strip, fold it in the middle. Cut a piece of rope and glue it on one edge of the strip. Bend the edges of the strips and glue them together to make a heart shape. Take the medium strips, fold it in the middle, add some glue on the edge and again make a second heart shape. Repeat to create a third small heart shape with the last strip. Take the large heart, add glue inside and place the second heart in. Add some glue into the tip too, so each heart is glued with the other one in 2 different places. Repeat the same to glue the smaller heart inside of the ornament too. To finish the ornament nicely, you can slide a bead through the rope. You can also glue a tassel at the bottom. Time to make a flower ornament. You will need 16 strips. You will have to bend them and glue the end together to form like little drop shapes. Take one drop shape and glue it with another. You have to add 2 dots of glue on each shape. You will make a first batch of 8 shapes glued together and a second one with 8 other shapes. Now that you have the 2 halves of your flower made, cut a piece of rope and glue it on one side of your flower. Finally, add more glue on the edge and assemble your flower. Add a bead in the center of your flower to finish it nicely. Let's finish this craft session with a star ornament. You will need 8 strips of 6 inches. Take one strip, fold it in the middle and then in the middle again. Open the strip, glue the end together to form a diamond shape. Do the same with all 8 strips. You need to end up with 8 diamond shape to make the star ornament. Take a first diamond shape and glue another one next to it. First assemble 4 shapes together, then make a second batch of 4 shapes too. Cut a piece of rope and glue it inside of one of the first half of your star. Add glue on the edge and finally assemble the star ornament together. If you want, you can glue a bead in the center, and you can also slide another bead through the rope to finish nicely your star ornament. I hope you had fun creating paper Christmas ornaments with me. As you can see, there is a lot of different shapes you can make. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.